Mabigat po ba yun?
Yeah.
570
Actually, it's
for
mabigat.
every lawyer
It's
po.
mabigat, but if you have the momentum, you can do your best. Serve the poor. Kaya lang alam mo sa justice system natin, hindi naman tao lang ang nasa husgado. Tatlo yan, yung hukom, yung fiscal, tapos yung dependent. So, kami sa power, namin makalaya lahat ng kliyente namin, pero hindi naman po pwede dahil alam mo may complainant. As long as may complainant, kahit nga 3 beses nang yung appeal, hindi pa rin nag-dismiss ang case. So, kailangan kumbaga, maging patient din kami. Move na move for dismissal pag walang testigo yung kabila. And this is time when we can convince the judge to dismiss the case provisionally in view of the lack of interest on the part of the complainant.
Sufficient po ba yung number ng lawyers?
Hindi nga, that's why in our new law, we should be equal to the number of our courts. However, still now, we are still pegged at 1,048. Despite the fact that we have about 3,000 courts nationwide and 2,000 plus prosecutors. So, there's a great disparity between the number of our lawyers and the prosecutors in town as well as the judges in town. Because, I've been advocating for equal justice between the poor and the rich, and then equal voice between the prosecution and defense. This is time that we have an equal number with our prosecutors as compared with our public defenders. We could not ensure that there is equal justice and equal voice. Especially so, the power lawyers are the bridge of the people to the courts. Billions of dollars are being spent by multinationals, and not only that, the superpowers of the world, but sometimes this point, the issue of equal justice is being left behind. So I have joined Equal Justice, Justice Without Borders organization of the world since 2002. So I've been advocating. That's why last year, for about 3 decades, this office has been advocating for the passage of our new law strengthening the PAO. And this is time only in 2007 last year, March 23rd, in our village, Victory. And after a year, when it was given to implement the so-called implementing rules and regulations. But, it's better to be patient than rather not doing anything. It's my belief that don't lose hope, because there is always a proper time for everything. Sabi nga na iba, weather lang yan. So last year, we were able to convince the members of the Congress to enact this new law. In the past, we